Okay, today we got Task Force Harrier, lettering the bootleg. Now this one had a clock fault and a few smashed resistors on this corner and a few corrupted ROMs. I'm still not got this ROM. I can't get a good read, so I'm going to send that one out for dumping. This sound ROM was definitely corrupted. I had to burn one off the main original set and it worked fine, so I can probably say that the sound code wasn't modified and the dump was bad. So and also it's got the flash on the camera's gone, which sucks, but there is a subboard here for the control I/O, and there's an MCU there that also needs dumping. It is a 68705. If anyone cracks that. Alright, let's fire it on. There we go. It's damn loud, so I better turn it off. Yeah, nice little, well, nice massive bootleg. Very good rendition.